Hi guys, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In this video I will show how to make a 18650 battery holder and charger. Now let's get started. For making battery charger we need a wooden piece and some screws. Now let's get started to make this. Guys, this is positive side, all positive sides. There is positive sides. Guys, I done this side. Now same process will apply this side. Guys, all side has been done. Now let's check it. Guys, this side is positive and there is negative. Now we need to set this parallel series, and this will also set as parallel series. Guys, there is negative side and this is positive sides. And I am using 5 volt DC adapter 5 watt and 2 ampere. Now we need to connect this both wire, positive and negative. Friends, there is 18650 battery holder and charger is ready to use. Now let's get testing. Guys, it has been working and charging 18650 battery, 3 cell at a time. Now let's close this. Guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.